Hello everyone, I'm Roianne.Buystedt here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, and I'm here to show you this 2018 Thor A.C.E 30.3. This is a used coach. It's got a V10 engine, 2 slide outs, and it's in excellent condition, low mileage. And let's go on inside and I'll show you the inside. It's got leather interior. We've got an overhead bed right here over the driver's and the passenger's side seat. We have a desk right here in the passenger's side. It's a V10 engine, backup cameras. We even have side cameras in this. All leather furniture. Like I said, it's in excellent condition. It's got great storage. Right here we've got a televator. This recesses into the countertop, so you still have extra counter space. We've got an oven in this one as well as the microwave. Nice sized booth. This one sleeps 8. Split bathroom in this. So you have your bathroom right here, your showers right here. Queen size bed with good storage. The charging station right here and an extra TV right here. This one has 3 TVs, 2 on the inside and 1 on the outside. We'll go outside, I'll show you the outside storage. Got standard outside storage here, but we also got an outside kitchen and wanted to show you. If you have any questions about this unit or anything else, just give me a call here at Guaranty RV. Be happy to help you. Thank you.